So hi, hello everyone. It's me Al Shifa. Welcome back to my channel Learn with Shifa. And today we are going to see one of an important topic, that is the most important freedom fighters whom we must know about them. Okay, look, if someone asks us names of freedom fighters, and if we wouldn't know, wouldn't that be a shame? So that's why for knowing some of them, we are going to see now on the slides. Okay. First, we'll be starting with the most known freedom fighters. Okay, first one, the Mahatma Gandhi. As we all know, Mahatma Gandhi, he was the freedom fighter of India. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who was born on the 2nd of October in 1869, and Gandhi was also known as the father of nation. And guys, in this video we are going to see only shortly about them. If you want to know in brief, you can comment me in the comment box. Okay, and the next one, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, he was also renowned as Netaji. He was born in the year of 1897 in Odisha. The next one, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was born on 14th of November in 1889. He was the single child of Motilal Nehru, and he was the most loved person by the children. As we all know that 14th November, it's the Children's Day. Why do we celebrate it? On the birth of Jawaharlal Nehru. He is loved by children, so on the 14th of November, we celebrate it as Children's Day. Okay, the next one, that is Chandrasekhar Azad. He was recognized as the Hindustan Republican Association under his new name of HSRA, that is the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Okay, the next one, that is Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was inspired by so many women, and the queen. She was the queen of Jhansi, who was born in the year of 1828. She was one of the most uh, she was a strong woman who took an important part in the revolt of 1857. The next one, that's Bal Gandhar Tilak. He was the maker of modern Indian Swadesh movement, and he took important part in revolt of 1857, and he was also known as father of revolutionary. Okay. And next one, Lala Lajpat Rai, who lives in India. In India dies. Jawaharlal Nehru, तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. This was one of the most famous and important quote which was said by Lala Lajpat Rai. What does it mean? It means that give me blood and I will give you freedom. So guys, now we will be seeing about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. As you all know, he was known as the Iron Man of India. He actively participated in the civil disobedience movement and the Quit India movement. Okay, he was a very renowned person by all the people. Next, Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian independence activist, poet, and politician, and as well as thinker. She was a multi-talented person. Her skills were legendary. Okay. Next one, Mangal Pandey was one of the earlier freedom fighter. Was born in the year of 1827. He was the first one to inspire Indian soldiers. The next one, Ashfaqullah Khan. He was born in the 90s, and he was same as the other young fountain of Indian revolutionary who also sacrificed life for the mother India. Next one, Vinayaka Damodar. He was born in 1883 and spent his life being a passionate activist and Indian revolutionary. He founded Abhinav Bharat Society. Next one, Begum Hazrat Mahal. As you all know, she was rather said the hero, or the heroine we should say, played a significant role in the Great Indian Revolution on 1857. And the next one, Alluri Sitaram Raju. He led the Rampa Revolution in 1922 to 1924 with the support of other local tribals for his bravery and for his strongness. Okay. Next one, Bipin Chandra Pal. He was born in 1858. He was a part of substantial part of the Indian National Congress. He is an unforgettable revolutionary. He was a very good man who took most of the part in the Indian Revolution. Okay. Next one, Binkaji Kampa, a companion of gender equality and was inspired by the for the gender equalities. we should not discriminate. That was the point said by this woman. She was donated most of her personal effects to an orphanage for girls. Next one, Chitrajan Das. He founded the Swaraj Party and became the leader of non-cooperative movement in Bengal. And next one, Kutidram Bose. He was born at 1889 and he died at 1908. And he was born in the west of Bengal. And Kutidram Bose was among the youngest people who struggled for India and fought against the British. And the next one, that's Dadabhai Naoroji, the one behind the formation of Indian National Congress, who was born in 1825, being a activist and joined the non-violence. Now we will be seeing about Rashbihira Bose. That is, he was an activist and he took most of part in the first war of India independence and in 1857. Okay. And next, Lal Bahadur Shastri, as you all know, he was the second Prime Minister of independent India and a significant figure in the struggle for independence. And the last one, that is Tantia Topi, was born in 1814 and became one of the great classic Indian revolution in 1857. He led a group of soldiers and to fight and end the dominance. Okay. So guys, with this we are the end of the video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Learn with Shifa. And thank you. Bye.